So this morning I thought I just wanted to share quickly what I do with my masks to have a little bit more peace of mind when wearing them, going to the stores. So let's say I was wearing this mask and I just come out of the grocery store, I'm going back to my car. I use my On Guard hand sanitizer, not only on my hands to clean my hands, but then I'll just lay the mask onto my lap and I'll just do 2 puffs over the outside of the mask and air it a little bit, and then I feel I have more peace of mind putting it on again before I wash it. Washing the masks, I actually use the On Guard laundry detergent. I like washing my masks by hand, so I'll put them into a glass bowl with some water and add some On Guard laundry detergent. And whenever I run out of the laundry detergent, which I don't try to, but sometimes it happens, I will just add a few drops of the On Guard essential oil blend to the water, soak the masks in water with the On Guard for maybe about 30-40 minutes, and then just add some regular detergent and wash them. So that just gives me a little bit more peace of mind using my masks every day. And another thing that I thought is really, really cool actually is using the masks as a aromatherapy tool. So what I've done in the past is, let's say I feel like I'm having sniffles coming on, I will just use the Breathe essential oil and I'll just drop maybe 1 or 2 drops of the Breathe essential oil into the mask, and then just air the mask a little bit, maybe for 30 seconds, maybe a minute. You just don't want to overload your olfactory system with like too much essential oil scent. But then when you put on the mask, you'll be breathing in the essential oils, and that has really helped me with, as I said, with my sniffles, just opening up my airways, supporting my breathing better. I've also added in the past some adaptive just to help me have more of a sense of deep calm and not feeling anxious. I've added the chia essential oil just for something uplifting, because we can go through times where maybe because of the restrictions and everything that's going on, we feel a little bit down. So the chia essential oil is really nice in the mask. And I've also used the Forgive essential oil in the mask, like 1 or 2 drops, because the Forgive can really help us get unstuck. Like, let's say we're having an issue and we just can't get past it. It's like on our mind all the time, and we feel we just need to move on, but we really can't. So the Breathe is a really amazing oil helping with that, to just get unstuck and release emotions and being able to focus on something new. So those are just my little tips for my masks and helping a little peace of mind and making some really cool aromatherapy tools.